So next we're going to talk about pose-based deformers. Pose-based deform basically means shape correction based on angle orientation, and it is prone to huge rotation problems, just like the roll distribution. So XSI is a real leader in this area. They have been for a long time. I know a lot of my friends come from other packages. For example, some friends move from Maya to XSI. The first thing they do, they work in the high end. They want to write their own pose-based deform system in XSI. And typically, they're usually pretty happy after some testing that it's already there and it's been implemented very well. So what you can do, let's go in and say we're going to do some pose deforms on the arm. Of course, the key, the top area for this is somewhere like a shoulder or somewhere like this. So let's go in. I'm going to create a cluster. Of course, clusters are key for this process because you don't want to be evaluating the rest of the mesh when you do a pose deform. So I'm just going to go shape, link deform with orientation. I'm going to select here, right click. I'm going to select the arm. Let's go for our next pose. I'm going to pose this forward. Here I'm going to go upward. I should just go in view mode. Actually, it's going to be easier. And I'm going to come in here and I'm going to shape the pose correction. So this is going to pull out. This is going to pull out. This is going to pull out. Just give you an idea. Well, obviously not a great job, but good enough to show it. Then you just go shape, save deform key. Then it pops up the new mesh and it pops up the sliders. You can go back and grab the sliders for that fall off. So as I rotate this in, I just rotate the mesh. And you can see it's blending into that deform. It's a little cranky. My shape wasn't very good, but the deform is popping in fine. So if I set that really low, it blends in like ding. Just pops right in. Or you probably want a good fall off for it to blend out. Now just to show you exactly what I do, I'm going to do one right back here. I'm going to twist it right upwards. So just to show you how it is in fact working with quaternion. So I say I get this big spiky ball. When I go back up here, I go shape, save deform key again, and then it pops up my sliders again. Here, that's fine. This one's locked. And then you can see as I rotate this on the z-axis, okay, that goes down, no problem. Up and down, but it is a three-dimensional pose. So if I go rotate here on the y, downward or upwards, it also goes up. And that's how you can get a good shoulder. That's how you can do really fine modeling, model the whole muscle system in pose.